Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English words and how to use them. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into the word anywhere. This is a versatile A2 level adverb that means in any place. It's a simple word that can open up a world of possibilities in your conversations. Let's start with a clear definition. Anywhere is used to refer to any place, often in the context of availability, permission, or possibility. For example, you might say, "You can sit anywhere you like," which means the choice of where to sit is entirely open. Now, let's explore some synonyms. Words like wherever, any place, and everywhere are great alternatives. For example, you could say, "I can find a good coffee shop any place in the city," or "You can park wherever there's a space." These synonyms carry similar meanings but can add variety to your language. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms. Words like nowhere, specific, and fixed are often used in contrasting contexts. For example, "There's nowhere to park" highlights the absence of options, or "You must sit in a specific seat" emphasizes a restriction rather than freedom. How does anywhere fit into daily life? Imagine you're planning a trip. You might say, "I'm ready to travel anywhere this summer." Or maybe you're at a store looking for help and ask, "Can I find this item anywhere else?" It's also common in questions like, "Did you go anywhere fun this weekend?" Let's look at some more examples of anywhere in sentences. "Have you seen my keys anywhere? I can't find them." "You're free to go anywhere after the meeting ends." "Is there anywhere nearby that serves pizza?" These examples show how natural and essential this word is in conversations. To wrap up, today we explored the word anywhere, learned its definition, discovered useful synonyms and antonyms, and saw how it fits into everyday conversations. I hope you feel more confident using it in your own sentences. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. Before you go, I have a challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence using the word anywhere and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see your creativity.
See you next time.